So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add admin on Facebook page 2023. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So the first step you'll have to do here to add admin is just pressing on your own page. So here I have a page named test1 just for the purpose of this video. So all you have to do is view tools, and then from there just press the settings icon in the top right corner. So here you'll have your page access, and then from there all you have to do is add new. So here you have people with Facebook access, or people with task access, or business accounts with access. So all you have to do here is add new, and then from there you will see an action you take at this page, including when you check into location may be visible to be anyone. So here just enter their name. So let's just say you entered someone's name, you add them, and then from there you will see their access. You will choose what type of access they will have. So if you want their content, message, community, ads, and insights. And there you go guys, that is how you add admin on Facebook page in 2023. So if you like this video, I hope you like and subscribe, and see you again next time.